Hi, my name's Dawn Shannon, owner of Intuition Salon and Spa. I'm also a hairstylist, and you can visit us on the web at www.intuitionsalonandspa.com. I'm now going to demonstrate this particular style of clip. It opens like this and is also a very common, popular favorite. There's a lot of different things you can do with a clip like this. One very easy one that a lot of people like to do is pull back the sides. You want to make sure from the front that the hair is even. Make sure you have all the hair in that you want before you totally clip it, and just clip it in. You can also take the hair and make a ponytail. Another style you can do is also just twist it up, clip it, and let the ends just fall. And that is how you use this particular style of clip.